We're unboxing the V30e, the fourth device in Vivo's V30 range, following the launch late last year of the V30 Lite and then earlier this year, the V30 and the V30 Pro. The first thing one sees when one opens the box is a covering of the phone that highlights some of the key features that Vivo wants to especially emphasize. And one of those is a 3D curved screen, which when you remove the plastic, you'll see makes a dramatic impact on the aesthetic appeal of the device. Because the 6.78-inch screen has got almost no bezel, it's got something like a 91% screen to body ratio and has that curved edge, it feels a lot like the flagship phones one gets from major brands. The camera array at the back is two lenses and an LED light, but it really does also stand out in terms of looking a little different from anything else on the market. Let's have a look at what's inside the box. So as one often finds with mid-range smartphones, we have a plastic back protector. There's of course the instruction booklet, but here's a nice surprise. A fast charge brick inside the box. You don't get charging bricks with many higher end phones these days. This is a 44-watt charging brick, comes with a USB-C cable, and hopefully we'll start seeing power banks having USB-C cables as well. But for now, thank goodness, you have a charging brick that does away with the need for a power bank. Let's look at the phone itself. It's an Android 14 device using Vivo's FunTouch 14 skin, which leaves it pretty standard Android, which is what most users want. It's a vivid AMOLED display, very responsive, 120 hertz refresh rate. On the back, you have a 50 megapixel and 8 megapixel lens, but the front sports a 50 megapixel and 32 megapixel dual lens, making it's an ideal selfie camera, which is going to appeal massively to a younger audience that really wants to be part of the images that come out of the work and play they do with their device.